Have you ever stared at a financial question mark, a loan looming large and leaving you unsure of the next step? Maybe you're considering a Mogo loan, but a niggling doubt or two keeps popping up. Perhaps you're already a Mogo member and need some guidance navigating the platform. Fear not, fellow financial friend, because today we're diving deep into the wonderful world of Mogo customer service. That's right, we're here to shed light on all the ways you can connect with the Mogo team and get the answers you need. Whether you're facing a hurdle or simply want some reassurance, knowing how to reach out can make a world of difference. So, grab your favorite drink, settle in, and let's unlock the Mogo customer service mystery together. First things first, Mogo prioritizes a user-friendly online experience. Their website, mogo.ca, boasts a comprehensive help center, brimming with articles and FAQs. Chances are, your question might already be beautifully addressed there. It's like a self-service buffet of knowledge, empowering you to find solutions at your own pace. But what if you crave that personal touch, that human connection to walk you through a specific concern? No worries. Mogo offers a couple of ways to connect with a real person. Let's explore them, shall we? Option number 1, dial it up. Mogo offers a toll-free number, 1-800.980.mogo, 6646. That's 1-800.980.mogo. For those who enjoy a touch of financial motivation, see what we did there? Their customer service representatives are available Monday through Saturday from 9 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So, if you have a pressing question during those hours, pick up the phone and get chatting. Now, some of us might be night owls or early birds, with financial queries striking outside those traditional business hours. Fear not, because Mogo has you covered there too. Their website offers a handy chat function. While it might be a chat with a friendly virtual assistant initially, you can rest assured that a human will review your inquiry and get back to you as soon as possible. Here's a pro tip: before reaching out, take a moment to jot down your question clearly. The more specific you are, the easier it will be for the Mogo team to assist you efficiently. Finally, if you prefer the written word, Mogo offers an email option as well. You can fire away your questions to help@mogo.ca. Again, clarity is your friend here. The more details you provide, the better equipped Mogo will be to understand your situation and deliver a stellar response. Remember, the Mogo team is there to empower you on your financial journey. So, don't hesitate to reach out if you need a helping hand. Whether it's the help center, a phone call, a chat, or an email, there's a channel perfectly suited to get you the information you seek. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, remember, a financially informed you is a financially powerful you.